In this video, I will show you how to download and install Litematica mod for Minecraft version 1.21.9. So first, search for modrint.com. Then after that, click on Discover and then click on Mods. And then search for Litematica and click on Litematica here. And then after that, click on Versions and then click on Game Versions. This is the filters and click on 0.9 versions, and here you will see what you can download and download it. Then you will choose a file where you want to put it. So this, I will choose Minecraft folder, and after that you will see it here. So once it's done, you will click the name of it and then go to dependency and then click on versions and then choose 0.9 in filter game versions and then download it again. Click it here and then choose a file, then click on save. Then after that, go to discover again and click on mods and click on fabric API and click on versions and click on filter game versions and click on 0.9 and then click on download again. You will choose. Then after that, you will see it here. So it's done downloading, and go to browser and then type fabric Minecraft and then click on fabric. And then click on download and then click on download Windows. Click on save and then here you will see it's done. And then after that, go to the folder and then click on fabric installer. Double click it and then choose the 0.9 and then click on install. Then click on OK. Then after that, you will see it here. Search Minecraft launcher. Okay, and click on Minecraft Java Edition. Then click on installations. And here you will see what you downloaded. And then click on folder. And you will see here, click on mods. And then you will see it is empty. So we need to add a new folder here. Then go to the Minecraft folder, and then after that you will drag the file here, which is this file, these 3 files or 4 files. So I will drag it here, the fabric installer, the Litematica fabric, the fabric API, and the last one. So we need to remove this fabric installer, so it's not belong here, these 3 only. And after that, you click on exit and then go to Minecraft launcher and then click on play, then click on play again, click on understand and click on play again, and then wait for it to install until it's done. Click on home, and for this example I will choose the demo only, so I will choose this Java edition. Then I will wait for it, then I will expand it and click on continue. Then I will play a demo world, then click on continue playing. So here I'm in the Minecraft world, so I will press the M key here, and then you will choose the tool mode and you will choose the area editor here to edit. You can also explore this Litematica mod. Okay, so you will also load a schematics, so click on load schematics and here you will load it here. And that's it. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.